Good morning, children. My dear 6th standard children. Today your SS class. We are starting our SS class with a silent prayer. All of you close your eyes and in your mind you start a silent prayer to your God. Okay, open your eyes. 6th standard social science class. You studied social science subject 3rd standard onwards. Am I correct, children? 3rd standard onwards. Social science subject, a separate subject we studied. You just remember, are you remembering? 1st standard we studied EVS subject, environmental science. In that subject we studied our family, then about the sky, stars. Then the same textbook itself we studied plants, animals, the body parts, isn't it? Then 3rd standard onwards, you studied all these contents in different books as social science and science subject. This year, it's a turning point in your studies. Science subject as well as social science subject. What is the turning point? Social science subject itself, we are dividing the topics into 3. That are history, geography and political science. I know that you didn't get your textbook. Anyway, this year we are studying social science subject in 3 names based on its contents: history, geography and political science. History means about the human beings, their origin, their settlement, the formation of kingdom, rulers, etc. Geography, it is the study of the physical features of earth, including the atmosphere. Then the 3rd subject, 3rd division in social science, that is political science. It's related with the study of our society, the political system, etc. That's why I told you it's a new information, new idea for you related to social science subject. Don't worry about it, only name is different. All together we are calling in one name social science. Okay. So some instructions, some informations I am giving now. The first class. After that we can start a small portion today because it is the social science reopening day. Isn't it? The social science classes reopening day. That's why only small portion. But the instruction is that whenever you are attending the social science class, you should keep a rough book in your hand. Understood, children? You have to keep a rough book in your hand. Because I told you didn't get your textbook. So what all things the teacher is saying, including the new words or a new concept, a definition, everything in short, you can note in that rough book by giving the subject name. At the same time, you should have a notebook with you. That's only for social science subject. After each class, teacher will give some questions, very few questions and its answers. That you have to copy in your notebook with the date. Reopening day Sure children, we will get very soon at the opening day as usual. So at that time teacher will check everybody's book. At that time it should be up to date. Are you following me? Okay. So I told you 3 subjects are there, but there is no need to keep separate notebook for 3 subjects. Maybe you got 3 notebook. Anyway, one teacher is handling the social science 3 subjects. So you can take only one book. Whenever you are writing history, you can just note history chapter 1. For next class, then when you are starting with geography class, you can start geography chapter 1 with the date. So don't worry about the separate subject. You can follow one notebook. Okay, I hope you understood this also. So shall we start our small topic only I am starting today. So shall we start it? Small topic means a very small topic that you already learned in your earlier classes. So starting with the subject geography. Can you see the board, children? Geography. What is geography? The study of the physical features of what? Our earth. The first chapter that we are going to learn this year, 6th standard as first class, that is, the name is so familiar. What is the name? The earth in the solar system. Solar system, I think you all are familiar, because even now I remember 1 or 2 years back I given a 3D book related to solar system to you. So anyway, and also you studied in smaller classes about the solar system. Sun, the family of the sun, isn't it? Sun and its planets. That's why we are dealing along with the earth and solar system. We are going to learn some new concept related to this topic. Then only we can study in detail about earth and solar system. The new concept you have to note in your book, especially the new words. Understood, children? Don't worry about when you are hearing new concept. Simple words, familiar words. But at the first time you are going to learn it. That's the problem. Okay. So I am going to start it with the word universe. You hear this word before? Universe. What is universe? U-N-I-V-E-R-S-E. Universe. You may be heard about in newspaper, or your parents are saying this year Miss India, Miss Kerala, Miss World, Miss Universe are selected, isn't it? Miss Universe. So what is this universe? Universe means as a human being with our eyes as far as we can see, isn't it? It included the space, the stars, the moon, isn't it? The dust around us, or the gases present in the atmosphere, everything. We are going to call it as one term as what, children? Universe. Going to define the universe once again. What is the universe, children? Everything that we can say as space, or the stars we can see, the planets, or the dust, or the gases present here, everything we call it as one name, what it is? Universe. Understood, children? Then its subdivisions, the next we are dealing with. What is the subdivisions? We said it a group of a number of or countless That's why what it is? Universe. At the same time, this universe, you have to know, it is made up of, the next word I am going to say, a new concept. You may be heard or may not. But it is galaxy. Galaxy. So what is galaxy? Galaxy means the same things. Stars, planets, and the dust or gases. Isn't it? But you have to know the difference is that such billions of galaxies we can see where in the universe. Universe means a vast concept. Within that universe, countless or billions of galaxies are there. Name only changed. Galaxy contents are same. Isn't it? When we are looking upward, we can see a number of what? Stars. Countless stars. Isn't it? But besides these stars that we can see in the sky, a number of other stars are there. Astronomers are watching these stars or studying about these stars through the telescope. That all things I think you know. Who are astronomers, children? Who are astronomers? Or what is astronomy? Astronomers means the person who are studying about the heavenly bodies. The bodies in the space. What are they? The stars, planets, etc. And the study about these celestial bodies, it's a new term comes in, isn't it? Heavenly bodies, we call it as what? Astronomy. Okay, that's another part. So galaxy is a part of what, children? Universe. It includes what? Billions of stars, then planets, and the dust, everything. I told you such a number of galaxies are there, and our galaxy, that what we can see in the sky, our galaxy, we are calling in a name as what? Milky Way. The astronomers named it as Milky Way. In Indian context, it is called as Akashganga. Understood this, isn't it? Today I told you one of the subject in social science, geography, we are starting lesson or chapter 1, Earth in solar system. Before that we studied some new concepts. What are they? First one, that is universe. I hope you understood. The repetition make boring, isn't it, children? I know your capacity. That's why at last we will revise once again, okay? And the second one is galaxy. Galaxy means a part of universe. And we named our galaxy, what it is? Milky Way. What's its Indian name? Akashganga. You remember, in between, I told you a name. You hear it? Celestial body or heavenly body. Because we are calling the stars, these planets, it's satellites, everything else, what, children? Celestial body or heavenly body. So a new concept also you are going to learn, that is celestial. So these three topics only teacher taking today. Small chapter, but you have to learn some new concepts. That also I think the new words to you. That's why the opening day, the first day, teacher only taking 3 words. That 3 words you should learn. You should understand it first, then you have to learn it. So what are they? First one, universe. Because the earth, the solar system, it is a part of what, children? Our universe. A vast space. We can call it as space, or we will call it as cosmos, everything. That is universe. Or we can say universe is made up of galaxies. So what is galaxy? The same things. Group of stars together, or planets, or what we can say, this dust, everything what we said it now, that's one galaxy. Such a number of galaxies are there. Billions of galaxies. As I told you, astronomers found it through their telescope. Powerful telescopes are there. One is, I think, Hubble Space Telescope. Through such a telescope, they are finding new galaxies. And our galaxy, children, they named it as what, children? Milky Way or Akash Ganga. Why it is called Milky Way or Akash Ganga? Milk, just like a river of milk, while we are watching this galaxy through the telescope. That's why they named it as what, Milky Way. Or in Indian context, you know, the holy river Ganga, Akash Ganga. Okay. Then a new word I given, because in between I used this word. What it is? Celestial body. Celestial body means a heavenly body. If you are watching the earth from moon, earth is also a celestial body. Understood? The star that is watching from here, that's why we are calling star is a celestial body. The moon we are watching from here, we are calling it as a celestial body. So celestial body means the heavenly body, or the things that we can see in the space or sky. I hope you understood. Clear, children? Today teacher is stopping with this much portion only. Your first chapter. Teacher is stopping with these three words. Universe, galaxy, our galaxy's name, and a new term for heavenly bodies, that is celestial. So it is better in your rough book, you just copy these new terms. UNIVERSE, universe. GALXY, galaxy. Then our galaxy's name, and a new term we studied instead of heavenly body, that is celestial body. CELESTIAL, celestial body. Next class, from the rough book, what you noted, that you go through it. And after that, next day, teacher will repeat again. Don't worry, it's the first class. Maybe feel some difficulty. Don't worry about it. So we will repeat this class again.